How to keep him in love. Erin here, your personal love expert from the channel where we make men make sense. VixenDaily. This video is about how to keep a man in love with you. Okay, so if you want to keep your man in love, give this video a like because let's be realistic. People fall in and out of love all the time. So it is extremely important to understand the 4 keys to keeping a man in love. So you're in love. He said the beautiful 3 words you've longed to hear. You are extremely worried that things will go south, and you want to make sure that things stay exactly how they are right now and even get better if possible. And yes, it is entirely possible. So how do you actually accomplish this? Well, let's dive right into the most important ways. The first thing is to grow together and have fun together. Now, this is extremely important to pay attention to because it is the combination that strikes gold. It is the combination of that. So you can't just have one and not have the other to really achieve the powerful effect that having both will achieve. That's what makes a man distinguish a girl or a woman or, however old you are. It doesn't really matter across all ages. It does not matter if he is 50 or in his 30s. A man wants a woman that can both have fun with him and grow with him. This is a universal thing across the board. So when you have that combination, you're going to really stick out and be in the top percentage of women that can give him that balance. Because balance is what you want to bring to the table. Balance is what will make a man feel, wow, this woman brings something unique. She makes me feel like I'm a better man. Have you ever heard that saying in popular TV shows or even in movies? There's a reason for that because that's what makes a man really need a woman in his life. So it's a psychology type of secret, if you will, that is an undercurrent of how love grows and how you water the seed of love. Next, make love together. So what men want is a woman who is going to focus on the bedroom as an important part of the relationship. It's not the be-all end-all, however. Put it as something that you care about, and that's all you need to do. Put in the effort to be interested in making the bedroom life as good as it can possibly be. And that's gonna go a long way because it'll show that you care and are gonna put the effort into things. Next, be a partner. How to make a man fall in love with you. Quite frankly, this is one of the most important things you can possibly do. It is be on the same team as him. So what does being a partner mean? Being a partner means that you value your connection with him so deeply that even when you are fighting with him, even when you are the most angry, you do not let those emotions determine how you treat him. You let your love guide you. And being a partner means that you care about him so much that you can put the relationship and your teamwork above your temporary anger. So don't lash out and go below the belt when things get rough. That will show him that you are on the same team and you're in the same boat. Never forget that. Next, don't stop being who you were at the beginning. Why fix something that's not broken? So the way that you were in the beginning is the woman he decided to say he loves. The woman he is in love with is not the person you think, oh, I can become once you have the relationship. No, do not ever view relationships from the perspective of you having or obtaining something. That will actually sabotage you and make him feel like you just kind of betrayed who you were in the beginning, the woman he fell in love with. Stay the woman he fell in love with. Don't start changing things and don't start letting go of yourself just because you feel you were in the relationship. Who he was in love with in the beginning is who you should continue to improve upon, but stay. Next, the real secret to keeping your man, to be frank, is understanding and supporting his drive. So watch and observe what gets him excited, what deflates him. What you observe will be the ticket to understanding what supports his drive and motivating him to be his best self. That's extremely important. Next, give him space, and while you do, take space for yourself. Men need space to work out their emotions. Men process their emotions in private. Men even fall in love when they're away from you. Very important to remember. If you don't give a guy space, you are interrupting his natural process of falling in love. And why would you interrupt his natural process of both falling, staying in love, and working out his natural emotions and what he feels about things. Let him have space and focus on your internal happiness while he has that space. Space will set the tone for a healthy relationship. Never forget that. Make space something that you love, and you will learn to love it once you see the positive impact that it truly has on your relationship. And space is going to be the water that kind of encourages the seed of love to flourish. Next, make your good mood your number one priority. So the better you feel inside, the better you will see your relationships becoming. Your mood is going to have a direct correlation with your relationship. So if you feel good inside, then your relationship will reflect how you feel on the inside. And the better you feel inside, the more love will be reflected back to you in the relationship. So if this helped, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out Vixen Daily for the full article. The link is in the description, and let me know in the comments if you have anything you want me to cover or questions. Until next time.